In this video, I will show you how to make this axolotl headband. I made it for my daughter for her carnival costume, but I think it can be used also as a very funny accessory. Let's get started. To make this headband, you will need DK yarn in light pink, lace cotton yarn in hot pink, 3.5 millimeters hook for DK yarn and 3 millimeters for lace yarn, scissors, yarn needle, a plastic headband. Mine is 1 centimeter of width. You can just reuse some old one that you have at home, and a little bit of stuffing. Start crocheting your headband. So make a magic ring and inside this magic ring make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Close this hole, insert your hook into the first stitch, into the whole stitch, so here also, okay, and make a single crochet. And you will just make single crochet all over, 1 single crochet in each stitch. You don't have to count stitches, just keep going, and in a moment it's important to check if this will fit on your headband. Okay, just put it outside like this. Okay, take your headband and just insert this piece here. I'm sure it will be okay, so I will just keep going, making 1 single crochet in each stitch. If you see that this piece is too small, frog it and start from 6 single crochet in magic ring and continue making 6 single crochet all over. This is what I already have, just making 1 single crochet in each stitch. I will check if I still need to make a lot. I will just add a few single crochet and I will check if it's long enough to cover my headband. Let's insert the headband here into this crocheted piece. So as you can see, I still need to work quite a lot. I didn't think that it would be so much. So I just take it out and I will keep going. If it's okay, just cut this yarn and close this hole with a needle. Just weave in the end, somewhere here, and that's all. Now we will start making these characteristic sides that axolotl has. Start making a slip knot and chain 14. And now insert your hook into the second chain and make a single crochet. And make single crochet in the next 11 chains. So we'll have a total of 12 single crochet here. This was our 3, this will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and in this last one make 3 single crochet in the same chain. So we will make 1, 2 and 3. And now we will work in the opposite side of the chain. So insert your hook into the next place here and make single crochet, and again to the end we will just work 12 single crochet. So this was number 1, here we have 2, 3, 4, and as you can see while I'm working I just hide this tail inside. So we have here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is what we have already. Now just chain 1 and turn your work, and this side will be our right side. So this side that we will work right now. And again we will have 12 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and in next 3 stitches we will make an increase. So here in this next one 2 single crochet in the same stitch, in the next one 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and in the next one 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And now we still have 12 single crochet to the end. 2, 3, 11 and 12, chain 1, cut the yarn, and make 11 more pieces like this, because we will need a total of 12. Take 2 pieces, put it one on the another one, and now we will join these 2 parts together using the lace yarn. So I will take 3mm hook, insert your yarn here through both stitches, chain 1, and now every time in every stitch we will make 2 single crochet. Again, the next stitch will go through both parts and make 2 single crochet in this one stitch. Again, through both parts and make 2 single crochet. I still have here a little bit to finish, but it's a good moment to stuff this front part. You don't have to use a lot of stuffing. Okay, and now I will just finish this part and stuff the rest. I finished my last 2 single crochet, so I will add a little bit more stuffing here. Okay, it will be enough. And now just chain 1, turn your work, and we will work 2 double crochet in each stitch that we made. So here in this first one we'll make double crochet and double crochet in the same one. In the next one, 2 double crochet, and just continue working like this, 2 double crochet in each stitch to the end. Chain 1, cut the yarn, weave in all the ends and make 5 more of them. Now just take your headband and place these crocheted pieces here, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side, starting here from the bottom of your headband, and now just using this light pink yarn, cut long tail and sew all the pieces to your headband. Secure really well all these 3 pieces. I just used 1 thread to sew all of them, and I did it like a few times. And now you can just weave in this end and repeat all the steps to sew another side. And that's it, your axolotl headband is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.